Hello, so here is a feature in Snapchat Plus which is called Peeky Peek. See when a friend half swipes into the chat. So here you have that. You can have this Snapchat Plus feature, and then you can just see this uh, like feature right here, and then you can just learn more. So yeah, peek is just where you can see um, exactly when when your friend half swipes into the chat. That's a kind of just a new addition during the last 30 days. And then here you can just read more about it. Um, there are a lot of new features. So that's what you have here. PKP lets you see if when a friend is speaking it's your shared one-on-one or group chat. When someone picks at a conversation you are part of, you'll see an eye emoji next to the conversation in your chat feed. You'll only be able to see if you're looking at your chat at the time they are peeking. So yeah,